Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we curate the best gadgets on the internet for you. Everything's getting smarter and smarter every day, and in these times, you'll need the smartest gadgets for your home. In this video, we've brought you the 12 most incredible smart home gadgets that you can buy. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 12, Amazon Echo Show 8. The Echo Show 8 is a great smart display for anyone who wants a more hands-free way to interact with their home. It has a sharp 8-inch display that's perfect for watching videos, checking the weather, or making phone calls. The Show 8 also has a built-in speaker that sounds great, so you can listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks. And with Alexa built in, you can control your smart home devices with your voice. It's also a great way to stay connected with friends and family. You can make video calls, send messages, or even drop in on someone's home if they're also using an Echo Show device. Number 11, Smart Smoke Detector by Nest. Nest Protect is a smart smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that's easy to install and use. It's also packed with features like voice alerts, a built-in carbon monoxide sensor, and the ability to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. One of the best things about the Nest Protect is how easy it is to set up. Simply mount the alarm on your ceiling, plug it in, and follow the instructions in the app. Once it's set up, Nest Protect will automatically start monitoring your home for smoke and carbon monoxide. If it detects either of these hazards, it will sound a loud alarm and send you a notification on your phone. Nest Protect is also very user-friendly. The voice alerts are clear and concise, and the app is easy to navigate. Number 10, Arlo Video Doorbell. This is a high-quality, affordable video doorbell that offers excellent video quality, night vision, and two-way audio. It also has a number of unique features, such as a 1-to-1 aspect ratio that makes it easy to see packages at your doorstep and a built-in siren that can be used to deter unwanted visitors. However, the Arlo Doorbell does require a subscription plan for cloud storage and person detection, which can be added to the cost. Overall, it's a great option for those who are looking for a reliable and feature-rich video doorbell. Number 9, Nanoleaf Square light changing panels. These sick-looking light panels are touch-sensitive and sync to music. These squares can be arranged in any shape you like, and they can be controlled with the Nanoleaf app or by voice commands. You can use Canvas to create a variety of different lighting effects, including solid colors, moving patterns, and even games. One of the coolest things about the Canvas is the touch-sensitive features. You can tap on the squares to turn them on and off, change colors, or adjust brightness. The squares will automatically change colors in time to your music, creating a truly immersive experience. Number 8, Amplify Alien. This is a high-performance mesh router that's designed to deliver blazing fast speeds and reliable coverage throughout your home. It's packed with features, including a built-in display, parental controls, and guest networking. The Alien is also one of the easiest mesh routers to set up. The included app walks you through the process step by step, and you can be up and running in minutes. In terms of performance, the Alien doesn't disappoint. We saw speeds of up to 500 megabytes per second throughout our testing, and even in our far-flung corners of our home. The Alien also handled multiple devices streaming HD video without any buffering or lag. Number 7, Amazon Echo Flex. The Echo Flex is a tiny, affordable way to bring Alexa to any room in your home. It's a small plug-in device that doesn't have a speaker, so you'll need to connect it to external speakers or headphones to hear Alexa, but the Echo Flex still has a lot to offer, including voice control of smart home devices, timers, alarms, and more. One of the best things about the Echo Flex is its price. It's only $25, making it one of the most affordable Alexa devices on the market. And because it's so small, it's easy to tuck away in any room. If you're looking for a way to bring Alexa to your home without breaking the bank, the Echo Flex is a great option. Number 6, Petcube Play 2. The Play 2 is a great way to keep an eye on your pets when you're not at home. It's a 1080p HD camera with a 160-degree field of view so you can see your whole home. It also has a built-in laser pointer so you can play with your pets remotely. And the two-way audio means you can talk to them and hear them too. It's also easy to set up and use. Just download the Petcube app, connect to the camera, and use Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Number 5, Smart Air Quality Monitor. The Awar Element is a sleek, stylish air quality monitor that's easy to set up and use. It's packed with features, including real-time air quality data, personalized insights, and the ability to connect to other smart home devices. The Element also has a unique display that shows the Awar score, a color-coded and numbered scale that indicates the quality of your indoor air. Number 4. Roku Premiere 4K Streaming Player. The Roku Premiere is a great way to stream 4K HDR content at a great price. It's a small, affordable streaming stick that delivers stunning visuals and great performance. It's also easy to set up and use, and it comes with a remote that has a headphone jack for private listening. The lack of voice search is a bit of a disappointment, but it's not a deal breaker. The lack of an Ethernet port is a bit of a pain too, but it's not a major problem if you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Even without these features, the Roku Premiere is a great value for the price. Number 3. Amazon Fire TV Cube. This cube is a powerful streaming device that offers hands-free voice control and a sleek design. It's the only streaming device that can control your TV, soundbar, and other connected devices with your voice. It also has a faster processor than the previous model, so it can handle even the most demanding streaming apps. A great streaming device for those who want the ultimate in convenience and power. It's a bit expensive, but it's worth the price for those who want the best of the best. Number 2. Popout Wall Outlet. The Legrand Adorne Popout Outlet with magnesium wall plate is a stylish and functional way to add an outlet to your home. It's a sleek, modern design that will complement any decor. It's also easy to install, and it comes with a variety of mounting options. The outlet itself is pop-out, so you can easily access it when you need it, and the wall plate is made of magnesium, which is a durable and fire-resistant material. Number 1. Alarm Clock Rug. Instead of a traditional alarm clock that goes off at a certain time, the Rug alarm clock uses pressure sensors to detect when you're getting out of bed. This means that you're never rudely awakened by a loud noise, and you can wake up naturally and refreshed. This alarm clock carpet also has a variety of other features that make it a great choice for people who want to make up feeling their best. For example, it has built-in nature sounds players, so you can wake up to the sound of birds chirping or waves crashing. And because it's battery operated, you can take it with you wherever you go. So whether you're traveling for work or just staying at a friend's house, you can always wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. So if you're looking for a unique and innovative way to wake up in the morning, this alarm clock is a great option. That was it for today, guys. Like and share the video and comment on which one you love the most. All of the product links are given in the description below. Make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more products soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. Till then, keep exploring.